Johnny, why does the moon look like it's about to land on your head? Oh, right. It's 50% closer than it should be. My bad. Meet Johnny, standing outside, neck craned upward, staring at the single most terrifying thing he has ever seen in his entire life, which, given his track record, is really saying something. Today's experiment is simple. The moon is 50% closer to Earth than normal. Let's see what happens next, shall we? First things first. A closer moon means stronger gravity. Specifically, the moon's gravitational pull on Earth would be roughly 3 times more powerful than it is right now. 3 times. You know those tides you've always ignored, Johnny? The ones that gently lap at the beach while you eat ice cream and embarrass yourself? They're not doing that anymore. Ocean tides would surge to heights of up to 300 meters. That's taller than the Eiffel Tower. Twice. Every coastal city on Earth. Completely submerged twice a day. Every single day, like clockwork. Gone. Not occasionally flooded. Gone. Johnny, I hope you can swim. Actually, at 300 meters, swimming won't help you either. A moon this close would begin pulling on Earth's rotation itself, gradually slowing it down through a process called tidal locking. Over thousands of years, Earth's day would stretch longer and longer. Eventually, one side of Earth permanently faces the sun. Scorching heat on one side, frozen darkness on the other. A thin ring of barely survivable twilight in between. Congratulations, Johnny. You now live on the twilight ring. It's as terrible as it sounds. Increased gravitational stress on Earth's crust means dramatically more earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The ground beneath Johnny's feet is now considerably less reliable than it used to be. Weather systems collapse into permanent superstorms as the atmosphere gets dragged around by lunar gravity. The biological impact alone would be staggering. Every creature on Earth tied to lunar cycles, from migration patterns to breeding seasons, thrown into complete chaos simultaneously. Tidal waves the height of skyscrapers. Cities underwater. The planet slowly stopping its rotation. Earthquakes, superstorms, biological collapse. And Johnny standing on the twilight ring, soaking wet, watching the moon take up half the sky. At least it's pretty, Johnny. Put your thumb up if you enjoyed this video, send it to your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Many more exciting experiments are coming with our friend Johnny.